Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add SMA in Exness chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, go to Exness and go to indicators here at the top left. Click on it. Here at the search bar, type moving average and choose this one. Click on it. And now, as you can see, we added our SMA or simple moving average. Now, if you want to change it, for example, to a 20 SMA, go here, click on these three dots, click on settings, go to input and change 9 to 20. If you want to change the color, click on it here, go to style, and you can change it to any color you want. And also you can change the thickness from here and click on OK. And now, as you can see, this is our SMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.